So once again, the scammers are striking. What's going on, everyone? Be sure to like the video. We have a lot of news to get into today. Now, the first thing we can see here, copycat account went live. They're scamming people. Again, big problem one this time. And it seems like you should really keep safe of those wallets because a lot of people do want your coins. That's the most important thing here, but we're not going to give them their coins. If we check over here, added shib as a payment for my business. Let's do this. And people are already going for big adoption, and I really love this, what they're doing. I have a patent on multifunctional to tobacco pipe, and since I love y'all so much, I just add a discount for 5% off. And obviously, things are happening. We just need multiple adoptions like this so big companies notice us. We need our own blockchain, and then we can see Shiba Inu's real use cases. Then we can see that 1/10 of a cent or even 1/2 a cent, what I'm really excited about. If we check over here, be sure to check out my Patreon if you want to be a part of the community. Thank you so much for checking out. Link in the description. It only takes you 3 seconds. But we can see over here, Shiba Inu coin HNS pattern to confirm bullish moment. And it seems like there's a pattern over here indicating that Shiba Inu is actually going to be going up. So we check here, and Shiba Inu price prediction has a bullish price prediction. So finally, others saying bearish past few weeks, and we were seeing those bearish terms we did not deserve. In the future, is it considered one of the best projects in the meme coin category? That's really nice. Are we better than Dogecoin? Are we worse than Dogecoin? The meme coins are led by Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu have been regarded as a strong competition to Dogecoin, and that's definitely true. We've been a big competition for Dogecoin right now, and Shiba Inu is picking up. According to estimates of digital coin price, Shiba Inu will end the year price with a level of, and this, we're basically going to eat a zero. By the end of 2028, Shiba Inu will be valued. I think it will be valued a lot more in 8 years. They're not looking that the price will exponentially grow, that the market will grow. And Wallet Investor is more bullish on cryptocurrency as well. The estimate of Wallet Investor takes the place at cryptocurrency and a 5-year forecast of, still not enough. 5 years. I think it will be much more than that. This is super realistic, but what we have to consider is the market will grow by itself. They're just looking at patterns right now, but the patterns are still very bullish in the short term and both the long term. And this is finally it, so you can get that house you want, that financial independence you want. Depends how much you're holding. Some people want just to buy a chair. Other people just want to buy a toaster. But we do have some big news coming up. And people are very excited to stake their coins. And as more people stake their coins, the more we shall receive. The rewards will be ours, and both the coins will be basically sort of burned, but not really. They will be in a way locked. And anxiety high, excitement super high, and people are earning those free rewards they finally deserve. Also, imagine if Shiba Inu coin on Robinhood and Webull platform, one of those is almost predicted so far, and the other one is still in the works. You must not forget that. These big things are still happening even when we don't see it. And this was 2 months ago. And if this is true, probably would hit 0001, and that's what I would love to see. That would be crazy. That would be a big price increase. It would give a lot of financial independence to a lot of people, to what we are searching for as a community right now. And Bitcoin will see a breakout during this week, okay, says a trader with 38K target. So Michael van de Poppe believes that upside is in store for Bitcoin and USD. So are we finally gonna be seeing Bitcoin going out of the grave? Look at this. He climbed out, and now he's a true Bitcoin. Are we going to be seeing that? Are we finally going to be seeing that uptrend we deserve? And I definitely do hope so. But Bitcoin balances breakout with grayscale worries. Data from Cointelegraph and TradingView tracked Bitcoin as it reversed weekend gains on Monday after a disappointing week close. The largest cryptocurrency has maintained its familiar trading range with 33,000 as support through Sunday and Saturday. But now is our time, SHIB Army. Now is our time to actually see a lot more. We can see that Red Capital, basically posted that the price is not going up and it's not going down. we can see others were more upbeat. In his latest video, fellow trader Michael Van de Poppe went to call as Bitcoin as a price breakout within days. Are we finally going to be seeing that price Bitcoin needs? I definitely do hope so. With 30,000 remaining in a place as overall support, altcoins lurk ahead of market decisions. That's beautiful. He had previously argued that altcoins would outperform the speed of Bitcoin's gains in the coming months. I think the altcoins are close to a bottom too. This is the lowest we have ever been for Shiba Inu, and we are gonna go back. We're going to go back stronger than ever. And that's the beauty of cryptocurrency if you're a new investor. This basically happens every single year. Most altcoins saw flat performance on the day, little changed over the past 24 hours, with a little by the way of strong sentiment in either direction. As Cointelegraph reported, concerns remain that external factors may unduly influence price action across cryptocurrencies. This comes in the form of grayscale unlocking series and yada yada yada. The most important thing is I heard 38,000 sometime soon. And I think in September, we should be seeing a much larger growth for Shiba Inu. And this is why. Much of the traders will be returning from their yachts, from their summer vacations to buy Bitcoin, to trade, to invest into Bitcoin. And with higher volume, has more attention of institutions. And with attention of institutions, we see huge investments. Bitcoin is cheap right now. The institutions are just waiting for it to get cheaper. And if they can see that Shiba Inu is super cheap, if the investor can see that Shiba Inu is cheap right now, it's still getting updates, that's when we're going to be seeing that beautiful, beautiful uptrend. Grayscale's diversified crypto fund becomes SEC reporting firm, and Grayscale also publicly filed 3 Form 10 registration statements on behalf of Grayscale Bitcoin Cash Trust, and we can see that the SEC is now actually working with these big companies such as Grayscale, Grayscale Bitcoin, Cash Trust, Grayscale Ethereum Classic. The company already had 2 SEC reporting products, including Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. So the SEC working with that is a really good view, because then the SEC will allow a lot of seniors to invest into crypto because it complies with the regulations for US. Grayscale's vice president of legal noted the company's new SEC filings show that there is continued investor interest in gaining exposure to the growing digital currency ecosystem within existing regulatory frameworks, and that regulatory continue to engage with market participants in the an asset class. More and more people, even seniors, are coming into crypto. It's never been as large, and this is, and I'm seriously expecting another bigger boom by the end of this year. The 65K, I mean, we can still reach that, but I think we can go back to where we were before, maybe to 100,000. I think it's definitely possible. I think a lot of people will be returning. Right now, it's not a lot to look at because the price is pretty stable. But as the price grows, that's when we can see how much Shiba Inu can actually grow. We can see here even another thing. Morgan Stanley Equity Fund owns 28K shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, so a lot of money is still going through, even if you don't see it. But yeah, we're basically going to be seeing every Shiba Inu going to 1 cent. Not likely. But is Shiba Inu ever going to grow massively to 1/3 of a cent? Very likely. And we can see the scammers, are already being eaten alive. We're not letting scammers take our wallets, especially those who are more gullible and don't know much about crypto. Stay safe out there. But we're seeing this big adoption. We already saw this in Venezuela. Paraguay joining the Bitcoin bill is definitely something you have to consider. And thank you so much for checking out my Patreon. I really do appreciate it. This is where you get your exclusive news about the market before it spikes, about the secret coins. And it only will cost you, well, very, very cheap. And definitely do talk to you within next time. Peace, everyone.